we will guide you through how to make film burn transition CapCut. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, press the Windows key to open the Start menu. Search for CapCut in the Windows search box. Launch the CapCut desktop application. Wait for the editing workspace to load completely. Create a new project or continue with an existing one. Import the video clips you want to edit. Position the clips next to each other on the timeline. Navigate to the Transitions tab at the top of the editor. Allow the transition library to finish loading. Enter Film Burn into the Transition search field. Browse the available Film Burn transition effects. Select the Film Burn transition that best matches your project. Drag the transition onto the edit point between the two clips. Adjust the transition duration to control the speed of the burn effect. Preview the timeline to see how the film burn transition plays. Refine the duration until the animation blends naturally with both clips. Review the edited section again to ensure the transition looks smooth. Save your project to preserve the film burn transition. Watch the playback carefully and observe how the first clip transforms into the second, while the film burn effect appears between them. If the transition feels too fast, increase the duration slightly. If it seems too slow, shorten the duration until the pacing matches the rhythm of your video. Continue previewing the transition after every adjustment so you can compare the results and make precise improvements. If your project includes several scene changes, repeat the same process wherever you want to use the film burn transition. Review the complete project from beginning to end to confirm every transition plays consistently and complements the overall editing style.